Hello to everyone, especially to e-bears. Today I was willing to buy a pressure washer for my home and my car, and I found some posts on Google about pressure washer being sold at EUROCARPATS for $39.99, and I checked myself as well, and I did found it indeed. And I usually buy everything from eBay, so I was thinking to give it a try on eBay as well. Maybe I find cheaper. As usually on eBay you can find cheaper than anywhere else, but not every time, and not in this case as well, as I've been checking on eBay and I found same pressure washer sold by EUROCARPATS for the price of £120, so 120 quid for same pressure washer on eBay. I'm on eBay right now, as you can see, and EUROCARPATS is selling this HPI 1700 domestic high pressure washer power cleaner, 90 bar, 1700 watts. And on EUROCARPATS website, same pressure washer, top tech HPI 1700 domestic pressure washer, 19 bar, 1700 watts for $39.99. So buy from eBay and spend about £80 more for same pressure washer than buying it from EUROCARPATS. So